Hi Avanish, what is this topic today?
All about water.
Okay, where did you take this resource?
From books and Google.
Okay, fine.
From science. Introduction.
1 second, Avi, wait. I'll just zoom it. Yeah, now you can.
Introduction. Water is also a basic substance on earth.
Okay,
Basic natural substance on earth.
okay,
It plays a vital role in the evolution and survival of life. We can't survive without water. Our body has 3/4 of water.
okay,
March 22, World Water Day. Water resources.
okay,
List. Water resources: wells, canals, lakes, rivers, water tanks, ponds, tributaries, handpipes, seas, oceans, streams, dams, rain, swamps, estuaries.
slowly Avanish. Okay, how many water resources do you know? Have you been there?
15. Read.
No, have you been there like river, lakes, ponds?
Yes, sometimes.
Okay, fine. Next.
Different forms of water.
Okay.
Ice, water, water vapor.
Hmm?
Availability of water.
Okay.
3/4 of the earth's surface is covered by water. 97% of water is the total amount of salty water.
Okay.
3% of water is the total amount of fresh water. In the 3% of water, 2.7% of water is undrinkable and 0.3% of water is drinkable.
Fresh water. Okay.
Once again,
Out of fresh water, only 0.3% is available for human consumption.
yes,
Correct. Okay, next.
importance of water in our human body. Our body uses water in all its cells, organs and tissues to regulate its temperature on the
Regulates
average.
its temperature. Full stop is there, no?
On the average, the human body needs 2 to 3 liters of water per day for proper functioning and digestion of food.
Okay, how many liters do you consume every day?
1 to 2. In each weight needs water.
Yes,
Proper
correct.
functioning and digestion of food.
Yeah.
Uses of water:
Okay.
brushing, drinking, washing clothes, washing utensils, watering plants.
One second, Avnish. Uses of water. Okay, you are showing picture.
Yes.
Yeah.
Transportation, agriculture, industry, cleaning floor, cooking.
Okay.
Composition of water. Water is transparent, tasteless, odorless and nearly
What
colorless.
is odor, Avnish?
Smell.
Yeah.
And nearly colorless natural chemical substance.
Okay.
Chemical substance.
It is
It is composed of 2 atoms of hydrogen combined with 1 atom of oxygen. The molecular formula is water H2O.
okay.
Aquatic animals. Some animals live in the water. During the winter, the water in lakes and ponds in the cold countries will be frozen and the layer of ice is formed on the surface of water.
Okay.
Still, aquatic animals can live under the ice because the floating layer of ice acts as a protective coat and doesn't permit to escape from water. Types of fresh water: frozen water, groundwater, surface water.
Okay. What do you mean by fresh water?
Usable water
Okay.
with no salt water.
Yeah.
Water that is present in frozen from polar ice caps and glaciers are called frozen water. The larger portion of undrinkable fresh water is frozen water.
Okay.
Groundwater
Where can we see frozen water?
in Arctic, Antarctica and in these countries in cold regions in winter.
Very good.
Groundwater is the water present beneath earth's surface in soil. This water is obtained through springs, open wells, tube wells or hand pumps, etc.
Groundwater. Okay. Do you know any
Pipes.
groundwater?
Pipes.
Okay.
Surface water. Water present on the earth.
Surface of the
surface
earth.
of the earth, such as fresh water, wet land is called surface water. Water cycle.
Okay. Go to the picture.
Evaporation.
Okay, how it is happening? Okay, first start with evaporation. Yes.
Oceans, lakes, ponds, and rivers evaporate due to the sunlight.
Okay.
Condensation. Water vapor enters into the atmosphere.
Okay.
Evaporation upwards with the air. Gets cooled and changes into tiny water droplets that from clouds into the sky. Precipitation. The millions of tiny droplets collides with another from the larger droplets. When the air around
Manish, you are reading very fast.
cool, these drops of water fall in the form of snow and rain.
Okay, that
Transpiration is again
goes upwards. Okay.
goes upwards.
So this is the water cycle.
Water distribution and water treatment system.
What is water treatment system?
From pond to house.
Okay, how it is flowing? Okay.
We know that water is distributed by local bodies. In some areas which water is obtained from river, lake and groundwater is treated and distributed. Model of water distribution and water treatment plant is shown in figures.
Okay, this is the model. Okay.
Boiling water is used to kill germs. The sedimentation, decantation, filtration are used to kill germs of water.
Okay.
Water pollution. Water pollution occurs when the wastes are dumped in from factories, houses and farms mixed with the water in rivers, lakes, ponds, seas, oceans and even groundwater. Polluted water is not good for our health.
So we shouldn't pollute the water, right?
Main resources, sewage, water we use at home for bathing, cleaning and cooking, industrial effluents, liquid wastes from factories, agricultural pollutants, chemical pesticides,
Pollutants.
pollutants,
T, you missed T after U.
chemical pesticides and fertilizers that get washed from farms.
Nowadays people are using more fertilizers, but in early years they will do natural agriculture. Okay, nowadays it's called organic farming, you know.
Yes, nowadays due to awareness it is reduced.
Yeah.
Solid waste, when the waste gets dumped into water bodies.
People are throwing, no.
Yes, in oceans and seas.
When we go to Kerala, we found on the beach shores.
In any oceans.
Yeah, correct.
Scarcity of water. There is no change in the total water availability of water on the earth and it remains the same. But the water is very important for all living things and the man is decreasing water day by day is called scarcity of water.
Okay, so water is reducing.
Population explosion.
Yeah, reasons for scarcity of water. Okay.
Uneven distribution of rainfall. While some areas receive high rainfall, too much rainfall, and some areas
don't receive. Yeah. So
receives less rainfall.
Okay, can you say examples in India? So highest rainfall place.
In hills, highest rainfall.
Okay.
In the lowest rainfall is desert. Thar desert.
Okay.
Decline of water table, pollution of water, careless use of water, deforestation.
What is careless use of water? The example.
Using more water.
Okay. Can you say any other example in real life that we are using more water but that is not required?
We should reduce the water.
That's what. Can you say example something?
Using your horse for washing vehicles.
Okay. That is not required. So instead what we can use?
Bucket.
Yeah. Even for bathing, what do you use? Showering or buckets?
Bucket. We should use buckets instead of showers.
Okay.
Why conservation of water is very important? Conservation of water is
important. Conservation means saving. Okay.
We should take care to prevent the scarcity of water. Otherwise, the life on the earth become extinct. So, saving water for the future generations by using water carefully in a limited way. So, the conservation of water is very important.
Okay.
Plant 15 ways to conserve the water. Follow these rules strictly.
Oh, you are always putting strictly, Avnish.
To become environment friendly.
Oh, you like environment?
Yes.
You want to save environment?
Yes. I want to save the world.
Very nice.
Yes.
Yeah, say the ways to
Plant
conserve.
more trees, reduce deforestation, reduce the use of fertilizers to grow crops, clean the drainage system, water management, rainwater harvesting, turn off the water while brushing your teeth, wash the clothes in washing machine. Don't pour the leftover oil and old medicines into the drains or into the toilets.
Okay.
Repair the taps when leaked.
Mm-hmm.
Use a bucket for bathing instead of showers. Close the taps when not in use.
Are you doing?
Yes.
Okay.
Wash the vehicles in a bucket instead of using hose. Avoid dumping the wastes. Spread the awareness.
Okay.
Avoid dumping the waste into water bodies. Thank you all.
Sober.
Stay safe.
You have taken a very good information, Avnish.
Yes, more
Very-
information.
Very nice. Thank you, Avnish.